Solve 99% of your charging problems with a single cable. No need to buy these 3-in-1 clunky slow cables or these that only work for a single device at low speeds. This is Magic John's brand new fast charging 4-in-1 240 watts fast charging cable. It comes with a USB, Lightning, and 2 additional Type-Cs, which make it compatible with pretty much any device that you can think of. And this cable is not only fast, but it is built to last. The connectors are reinforced with zinc alloy and the cable with liquid silicone. There are 2 sizes available, a 4 feet and a 6.5 feet one. Also, it comes with a small gift from Magic John, its own carry bag. There are also 2 colors available, and if you like this product, you can click the yellow card and purchase yours now.